Hi guys, ready to unbox this monster phone? Hi guys, welcome back. And this is the monster phone that I'm talking about. Ito yun. Samsung M51. Bakit siya monster phone? It is because this is the only phone in the mainstream or among the popular brands of the phone na merong 7,000 mAh battery capacity. Yon. So, para siyang phone na merong power bank o power bank na may phone. So, either way, review natin to and unbox natin. And by the way, ito yung box. Simple lang siya. On the side, ito. Front. There's nothing in the back. Simple lang, M51 na box. So, as we all know, lahat na M series ng Samsung, nabibili lang siya through online. I got mine through Lazada online. Ito yun. Wala siya sa offline store. So, and M, ang ibig sabihin ng M is millennial. Kasi siguro yung mga design ng phone nila, mga wallpapers na phone. Pang youth. Yung color na in-order ko is color white. There are two colors available, white and black. Two colors lang available online. Ang pinili ko is white. Para maiba naman. Meron din ako in-order dati. Remember ninyo yung A21s. Color white din siya. And this phone has 64 megapixel quad camera. And this phone has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory. And this phone is expandable up to 512GB using micro SD card. And guys, the chipset na ginamit dito is Snapdragon 730G. Ito yung similar na chipset na ginagamit sa Vivo X50, Google Pixel 4a, Galaxy A80, and Realme X2, and with Adreno 618 GPU. So, check natin yung performance of this phone during our quick review. So, let's start unboxing now. So, guys, yung box pala mabigat na yung phone. Siguro dahil sa battery capacity nito. So, ito na yung box. Set aside yung phone. Saan yung maliit na box? Ito pala. Pin. No jelly case. Only paper works inside. This one. 25 watts charger. USB Type-C na rin siya. Ito. And the USB cord. Type-C na rin siya sa both sides. Yeah, Type-C. And of course, we have free earphone. Oh, ito na yun. So, here's the phone. Guys, medyo mabigat nga siya, oh. Ito. Anyway, on the front of the phone, nakasulat Infinity O display, quad camera, 7,000 mAh battery. Tingnan natin yung plastic. Yan. So, plain white lang talaga siya. Ito. So, ang gamit sa front is Gorilla Glass 3. Ito yun. And on the side is plastic. And also on the back is plastic. At ang plastic siya. Color white plastic. Yan. Sad to say, wala siyang jelly case and wala siyang screen protector. Which is kind of disappointing. Kasi, mas gusto ko pa may free jelly case and free screen protector kesa sa headset. So, okay na rin. Mahirap lang maghanap online. Kasi mga bagong labas na phone is hindi pa available minsan ang mga casing and screen protector. Anyway, let's turn on this phone and set up natin. I'll be back in a few minutes. So guys, ito na yung phone, oh. Ganda. Makulay siya. Yung screen size is 6.7 inches with Super AMOLED Plus Infinity O panel display with the resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. Tapos sa right side ng phone, andun yung fingerprint scanner. And this is also serve as the power button, volume control. And on the bottom of the phone, andun yung earphone jack, USB Type-C port, the mic, and the speaker. And on the right side, andun yung SIM card tray together with the micro SD expandable memory tray. And on the top naman, andun yung secondary microphone. So guys, the weight of this phone is 213 grams. Ito. Ang grip ko, tingnan mo yung sa grip ko ito phone. Medyo gusto ko ang phone pag malaki yung screen size kasi medyo malabo yung mata ko, nag-eyeglass tayo. So, favorable sa akin yung screen size. And the operating system is Android 10, One UI 2.1. So, latest siya. Medyo malaki yung mga icons siya sa UI 2.1. So. And ang ginamit na chipset is Snapdragon 730G. It is an octa-core chipset built on the same processor also found in Samsung Galaxy A80. Makikita rin ito sa Vivo X50, sa Realme X2, and Google Pixel 4a. So, tingnan nyo, ang ka-level ng M51 na mga bigatin ng phone. So, tingnan natin again, as I've said earlier, yung performance ng phone. Sa camera naman, another great specs coming from this phone. When it comes to their camera, it has 64 megapixel main camera with Sony IMX682 sensor with 12 megapixel ultra-wide, 5 megapixel macro, and 5 megapixel depth. Sa mga mahilig kumuha ng macro shot, this phone has 5 megapixel lens. So far, sa mga na-unbox kong mga ibang mid-range phone, usually kasi ang macro shot nila is 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel depth. So this phone has 5 megapixels each. So, mas medyo maganda yung quality natin pag kukuha tayo ng mga shots na macro shots gaya ng mga flowers, yung mga beetles, yung mga maliit na insekto, and mga leaves. Mostly, di ba, mga nature shots ang ginagawa natin pag macro. Maganda siya para sa Instagram pictures, yung mga sasali sa photo contest. Maganda yung macro shots niya kasi meron siyang 5 megapixels. So, going back guys with my intro, this phone has 7,000 mAh capacity battery. Saan ka makakita ng iba pang phone na ganito? I mean yung mainstream phone, mga popular brands. Except, di ba, meron lumabas na Energizer na phone, which is, I think, not sure, 10,000 mAh battery. Pero when it comes sa mga popular brands na phone, ito yung pinakamataas. 7,000 mAh battery. This is a monster phone. Wow! So, alam na ng mga gamers, yung mga mahilig manood ng online movies, kayang-kaya nitong phone. And this phone supports up to 25 watts charging via Type-C port. So guys, just to remind you, kahit insert nyo siya na 60 watt na battery charger, up to 25 watts lang kaya nitong phone. And it says it can fully charge up to 2 hours. For 7,000 mAh battery for 2 hours, I think okay na rin siya. For me. And guys, the front camera or selfie camera has 32 megapixels. Both front and back camera can record video up to 4K at 30 frames per second. So with that guys, pakita ko sa inyo ang sample videos and pictures coming from this phone. So guys, what can you say about the pictures and videos? For me, ang napansin ko lang is very colorful ang mga pictures and videos coming from this phone. Very easy to take pictures, parang point and shoot lang. Effortless. For me, effortless pag-take ng pictures, and also when taking macro shots, hindi masyado challenging for us to focus on the object that we want to capture. Pagdating sa normal photo mode, tapos night shots siya, bright yung capture niya and clear. Other than that, all the pictures are above standard for me. So, okay na okay sa akin ang pictures coming from this phone. And, again, pagdating pala sa video mode, tapos, naka super steady on, and taking videos at dark, masyado siyang dark and malakas ang noise niya. So, huwag kayo magtaka kung bakit grainy and very dark yung videos ninyo at night. You have to deactivate the super steady off. And dito yon. Anyway, papakita ko sa inyo yung video capture kung saan yung super steady off. Pero dito lang yan in the middle. Pindutin nyo lang yan. Otherwise, pag naka super steady on siya, tapos nag-video kayo sa dilim, or medyo in dark mode, or medyo in dark place, very grainy talaga siya. Pero pag tinanggal mo siya, very bright siya. Medyo nakulangan lang ako sa video resolution nitong camera. Kasi sayang, sana meron siyang 1080p at 60fps. Kasi 60fps is more smoother video quality. Pag 4K naman, it is higher resolution. Kasi ang 1080p at 60fps meron siya sa A70 na model. Ito wala, kulang, sayang. Pero okay na rin siya. Above standard naman yung quality ng camera ng phone. Sa gaming performance guide, trinay ko ulit mag-game. Okay yung game. Smooth yung game, walang lagging. Pero yung graphic and quality, up to high only. Wala siyang ultra. And wala rin siyang HFR option. So, ang quality ng game is just okay. Hindi masyadong crisp and clear yung quality ng games. Pero yung pag-perform ng games, hindi siya nagsa-slow motion. So, okay na rin yung performance ng game. But if you are very particular sa quality ng graphics ng game, this is not the phone. Medyo nagulat lang ako kasi I was expecting that it would have a good quality of graphic coming from this phone. Loudspeaker, okay siya. Very clear siya and loud. Kaso nga lang, it's only available on the bottom of the phone. Pero okay na rin siya. Suot ka na lang ng earphone para ma-appreciate mo yung quality ng sound coming from this phone. Tapos guys, since Super AMOLED yung screen type nito, mag-enjoy kayo manood ng movies coming from YouTube and Netflix and other videos. Kasi nga, for me, it's very colorful, very bright, and hindi masakit sa mata. So, mag-enjoy kayo. Sa performance naman, so far, di pa ako naka-experience ng lagging or nag-slow motion when doing multitasking. Kasi nagka-Facebook ako kanina and changing to YouTube and then Mobile Legends kasi naka-idle ako sa Mobile Legends. Then, shift ako ng programs or ng apps. Hindi naman siya naglalag. So, sabay-sabay ko siya pinaandar for my testing. Okay naman siya. So, guys, in summary, kung gusto nyo ng good camera phone, ito yon, okay siya. Big screen, which I like. Ito rin siya. And excellent battery life. You get this phone. Maganda rin yung front camera niya when doing video calls, especially pag meron kayong online class and meetings. Okay itong phone. And then, kung ayaw nyo ng bulky na phone o mabigat, then this phone is not for you. Additional lang guys, ito yung fingerprint scanner. And this phone is not capable of wireless charging. And this phone is not 5G. This is an LTE phone coming from Samsung M51. So guys, kayo na mag-decide if you want to avail this phone for the price of 19,900 pesos. For me, it has a good camera, good performance so far, and huge battery life, 7,000 mAh, which can also do reverse charging. So it's up to you to buy this phone or not. Sayang lang talaga, wala siyang screen protector and jelly case na kasama. But for me, it's still okay kasi meron naman siyang Gorilla Glass 3. Yeah. So I hope guys you enjoyed watching this video and help you to decide whether to purchase this phone or not. And guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And also, share these videos to your friends. Again, thank you for watching. Bye!